So we can see a problem here, little mitre to do. So this is a rafter square that roofers use, also known as a speed square, and I'm going to overlay this combination set square, which is only a little one. I picked up a B&Q, you can get them from Screwfix. And what we're going to do is overlay that onto the edge, and I've squared it up to the fixed piece of timber on the right, and I'm going to score it down with the pencil. And it's always best to try and get this as accurate as you can. So I'm going to just readjust it slightly and do another thicker line just to make sure that where I put the saw is going to be right in the middle of it. And there you go, that's the idea of it. I haven't cut the other end yet, but you'll see in a sec. There we go. Not bad for a bit of rough timber cutting, and it's nice and tidy. Another feature that you can use on this is that you can use a pivot and mark any angle that you want, basically. And as you can see, it's marked all the way down the bottom. Pivot's at the top there. So I'll just demonstrate on this piece of timber, but it could be a piece of trunking that you're using in the field. So first of all, straight 90 cut, straight 90-degree angle, and then we'll move across to the 45. Very, very easy. You can even use it as a saw guide as well, which I'll do in a different video. And there's your 45, and then I'll just show you now. So using the pivot at the top, it's marked on both sides. So that's the pivot at the top where my thumb is, and you just move it out to the angle that you like. So I'll zoom in with the camera, let you have a look, and I'm choosing 25 degrees. And you just hold it in place. So there's your 25 mark, hold it where you want it, and then strike your pencil straight across the top for a perfect 25 degree mark. Very useful piece of kit, and obviously it's designed for a different industry, but I've made use of it plenty of times in the electrical.